students, today we are going to learn a new poem, 10th poem, okay, the Habitat song. See, now let me discuss something. Okay, where we are living? Yes, in our home, right? Like that, the horse, where it is living? Yes, it is stable. Like this, dog, where the dog is living? Yes, it is in kennel. And lion, yes, it is in den. Okay, camel, it is live in desert, right? Like this, according to their body, and they live in some different places. Okay, it has the different place to live. Okay, like this, we are going to learn some animals where they are living, and we are going to learn more about that. Okay, okay. What is mean by habitat? Yes, habitat means வாழ்விடம். In Tamil we can say வாழ்விடம். Okay, now take your book, page number 90. Page number 90. Yes, let us read a poem about animals, their habitats and their special abilities. Okay, see, we are going to learn new some animals and also the speciality of the animals, of that animals. Okay, yes. We are terrestrial animals. See, terrestrial animal. Terrestrial animals means animals that live mostly or entirely on land, which means it lives in land. Land means we know, yes, in earth, plain area, okay, it live in land. It is terrestrial animals. See, what are the animals? Let me see. Yes, we walk in search of food. Yes, these animals can search the food for themselves. Okay, go somewhere and find some food for themselves. And deserts, plains and mountains, where they are living? Yes, deserts. What is the desert animal? Yes, it is camel, right? Desert animal is camel. And plains, what is meant by plains? It is a flat surface, right? So cat, ant, dog, yes, all the animals are living in land, right? Yes, plain area. And mountain animals, what are they? Yes, polar bear, then big horned sheep. Yes, these are live in the mountain. Yes, in the snow only the polar bear will live, right? Yes. Next, in the forest, what are the forest animals? Yes, lion, tiger, yes, elephant. These are forest animals. Yes, now is where we like to live. Yes, this like in the respective area they are living. We could be super sleuth. Sleuth, what is mean by sleuth? Sleuth means tupparivalar. In Tamil we can say tupparivalar. In English, people who look for information to solve crimes. See, some animals are used to solve crimes. Yes, let me see, yes, dog, right? Dog is the helper of police, right? It can help and search something and find and solve the problem, right? So, see, sleuth, right? Because the best burrows we build, burrows means holes or tunnels dug by animals to live inside them. Yes, in the hole some animals can live, right? Yes, see, first we learn about the animal. What are the animal? Yes, land animals. Terrestrial animals means it is a land animal. What are the animals or land animals? Yes, cat, dog, ant, then camel. Camel lives in desert, right? And plains means cat, ant, dog, and mountains means polar bear, big horned sheep. And forest means lion, tiger. Forest also comes under this, right? Here is not the forest, but forest also comes with this. Okay. Now, next, second stanza. Let me see the second stanza. First stanza, we learn about the land animals. Now, see, we are arboreal animals. What is mean by arboreal animals? Yes, let me see. Animals that live mostly or entirely on trees. See, where it is living? Yes, trees. First we learn about land animals. Land animals means it is terrestrial animals, right? Terrestrial animals. It is a land animals. And now we are going to learn about arboreal animals. Okay, what is meant by arboreal animals? Arboreal animals means it can lives in tree, lives on tree, right? It can hang on, live in the tree, right? We have very strong limbs. What is meant by limbs? Yes, limbs means it has the hand or leg like, right? It like a leg, because it is able to hold the branches tightly. So it is limb is strong, so that only they are able to hang in the tree, right? So see here we have very strong limbs. Limbs is so strong, so they are able to hang. Hang means தொங்க முடியுது, அந்த மரத்துல ஏறி என்ன செய்ய முடியுது, தொங்க முடியுது. Okay, see, a top trees and branches. In the top trees, a height tree, it can live, and also in the branches it can stay. Is where we live, we like to swing. Yes, these animals like to swing. I think you have found that animal. What are the animal? Yes, yes. Now we could be movie stars. See, the animals are saying them. They are the movie stars because they are dancing, right? Yes, see, for the best grooves we got. Grooves means it is a dance movement. See, dance moves. Grooves means dance moves. It can move, swing, right, from one tree to another, from top to another, one branch to another branch. Yes, like this it is jumping and moving on, right? So it says themselves as a movie stars. Stars means they are like a heroes because they are dancing, they are moving, right? So they are saying themselves as a, yes, movie stars. What other animals are there? Yes, koala bear. Yes, not polar bear, koala bear. Koala bear is a animal, it can swing on the tree, right? Next, monkey. Yes, we all know monkey can live in the tree and jump from one branch to another and one tree to another. Yes, next stanza. First we learn about terrestrial animals. It is land animal. Land animal means cat, dog, tiger, lion, then a polar bear, camel. Yes, all these things comes under terrestrial animals. Now second one is arboreal animal. Arboreal animal means it is live on the tree, right? Yes, it's like a monkey. Yes, monkey, sloth, then koala bear, right? Yes, now we are moving to the third stanza. Okay, see, we are aerial animals. Aerial, what is mean by aerial? Aerial, see, aerial means animals that spend a large part of their lives flying in the sky, which means it can fly in the sky. Okay, so it is aerial animals. Okay, aerial animals. See, what are the aerial animals can do? Let me see. We fly. Yes, it can fly. We glide. What is mean by glide? Glide means to move in an easy and continuous manner. In the same way, it can move along. We soar. What is mean by soar? Fly or rise high in the air, which means it can go high in the air. Up above in the air, which means it can go up in the air, it can move up, right? Is where we best fare. It can move so far, it can go for the long distance up to the sky. Okay, we could be superheroes. See, the poet describing this animal as a superhero. Why? Because Superman, Spider-Man, all they are, yes, flying, right? So this animal is also flying, so it is a superhero. Like this the poet is describing. Such unique capes we wear. What is mean by capes? Capes means piece of garment that hang loosely over the shoulders, which means the wings. Okay, wings. Yes, through the wings only it is flying in the sky, in the air, right? So the capes means it is like a wing. Okay, let me see the example for this aerial animals. Yes, what are the example? Yes, it is very easy. Bat. Yes, bird can fly in the air, right? Yes, see, bird, vulture, eagle, crow. These are the animals of examples of aerial animals. Okay, now let me move to the fourth stanza. We are aquatic animals. See, we are aquatic animals. We are aquatic animals. What is meant by aquatic? We all know, right? Aquatic animals means it is living water. Yes, aquatic animals means animals that live in or near water. Okay, live in water or near the water. It is aquatic animal. See, water makes our world. See, water makes our world, which means we are living in the normal land, right? But for this aquatic animal, water is the world for them. Okay, fresh water or in the sea. We can live both in the fresh water and also in the sea. Fresh water also in the sea is where we love to swim, and also we love to swim in the water. Yes, see, next one, next page, page number 91. We could be supermodel. See, the poet describing this aquatic animal as a supermodel. What is meant by supermodel? It can do something different, right? So it is supermodel. Flipping shiny tentacles or flashy fins. See, flipping. Flipping means standing over in a quick movement. See, the fish is moving like this, okay? At that time, it is jump over the water and also it turns and move in the water. Yes, so it can move in the water. So, it is described as the poet has described it as a, yes, supermodels. Okay, now let me move to the next one, fifth stanza. We are amphibians. What is meant by amphibians? See, amphibians means animals that live both on land and in water. This animal can live in water and also in land. It can manage both area. Okay, so it is amphibians. Amphibians. We don't mind either. We don't care about anything. Okay, our webbed feet are happy. Our webbed feet are happy. Even it is a water or even it is a land, we can move. If in the land, we can walk. Yes, with the webbed feet. In the water, we can swim in the water. Like this, the poet is describing. Whether land or water, whether land or in water, we could be peacemakers. See, the poet describing this amphibians as a peacemaker. In the last lesson, we learn about turtles and tortoise, right? Yes, these also comes under amphibians, right? Yes, so it can live in water and also live around the water. So it is amphibians. We could be peacemakers. See, peacemakers. Peacemakers means wherever we want to live, we can live. So it is a peacemaker. Amaidi parapranga. Okay. So we find happiness anywhere. Even in the water or in the land, we will be very happy. So the amphibians are the peacemakers. See, let me recall all those things. Terrestrial animal. What are the terrestrial animals? Yes, terrestrial animals means it is living land. What are the example for this terrestrial animal? In the mountain, it is a polar bear. In a forest, it is a lion, tiger, elephant. Next, in the desert, it is a camel. In plain area, cat, dog, and like that. Okay. And next one is arboreal animal. Arboreal animal means it is living tree. Yes, best example is monkey, sloth, then koala bear. Yes, these are the examples for arboreal animal. Arboreal animal is known as the movie stars. Okay, this terrestrial animal is known as the sloth. Sloth means it can solve the problem for the crime. ஏதாவது ஒரு தப்பு நடந்ததுன்னா அந்த டாகை கூட்டிட்டு போய் சர்ச் பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிப்பாங்களோ. So it is the sloth. Okay. And next one is arboreal means it is the movie stars. Why it is a movie star? It is swinging from one branch to another, so it like dancing, so it is a movie star. Next one is aerial animals. Aerial animals means it is a birds. Yes, it can fly over the sky. So it is bats, vulture, eagle. These are the examples for this aerial animals. And also the poet describing this aerial animal as a superhero. Superhero. Why? Because it is flying. Yes, so it is a superhero. Next one is aquatic animal. Aquatic animal means it can live in water and near the water. So it is aquatic animal. The best example of aquatic animals are fish. Fish, octopus, shark, yes, dolphin, like this animals are aquatic animals. Next one is amphibians. Amphibians means it is a, this aquatic animal is described as a supermodel. It can jump over in the water. So it is a supermodels. Next one, amphibians. Amphibians is described as the peacemaker. Peacemaker means it can spread this peace. Okay, it is happy in both land and also in both water. So it is a peacemaker, amphibians. This example is frog. Yes, it live in water and also in land. Yes, for tortoise, turtle. Yes, these are the example. Crocodile. Yes, these are the example for this amphibians. Okay, students. Now it is a homework time. First homework is learn and write the poem. First two stanza is your memory. So learn and write first two stanza in this poem. And also now take a book, page number 88. Page number 88. See first picture. Forest. What is this picture? It is forest. So you want to color this picture as a forest. And next one is snow. Snow means it is full of ice. Okay. So next picture in page number 89, third picture, it is a pond, river, lake, like this you want to color this picture. And next picture is desert. Okay, it is a desert, dry area. So for these four picture you want to color all these, all. Okay, next you want to give two example for this each. Okay, two example. If it is a forest means forest animals, you want to give two examples. Already we learned something in this poem, right? With that you want to give. Okay, two examples. For forest, two example. Next to snow, two example. River, two example. Then desert, two example. These two is your homework. One is poem, learn and write first two stanza. Then do the draw the color and give two examples for that each picture. Okay students, I hope you all understand this poem. Thank you students.